Good afternoon, everyone. In this screencast, I'll be showing how you need to do the assignments for today. So first, please log into your online classroom and then go to teacher messages. Open Thursday, May 13th. Okay, as you scroll down, first watch this video to see how you need to do the assignments and then open tasks 1 and 2. So when you open task 1, first of all, I need to tell you that this is a forum. Whenever you see this, it means that this activity is a forum and you can write your answers. Actually, you can type your answers in. So click on it. You're going to listen to a recording. Here's the recording, a dialogue between two managers, and then you'll be writing an email in the forum below. So first, please read the instructions carefully. In your email, you're going to write about the time and place of the meeting, and you're also going to write the agenda and the possible items for discussion on the agenda. So you listen to the recording here, then you scroll down and you write your email here. Who are you sending this email to? To the other participants in the meeting. So maybe your co-workers or the employees and the staff. In your email, remember that it's, first of all, it's a semi-formal email because it's a work email. Pay attention to how you open and close your emails. You need to write a subject. So you can write like this. You can start from, which you write your email or your name, to who are you sending this email to, what's the subject, then you write your then you start your email, you have the opening. In the next paragraph you will have the body of your email, and finally you will close it. You name your post, for example, Helen's email. So scroll down, click add a new discussion topic. So let's say my name is Jessica, so I would write Jessica's email, okay? And then here, I'm going to write the email, all right? So I will be writing from, so I will write my email or my name, then to, who am I sending this email to? Maybe the staff, the employees, subject. What is the subject of this email? Write it here. Then below, write your email, okay? Finish your email and then click post to forum. So I'm going to do it as an example. Okay, so when you post your email, if you scroll down, you will see your answers here. You have 30 minutes to do some editing or deleting if you want to write a new one. So for example, here, if you want to change something, you click edit. You make some changes and then you click save changes. After you have posted your email and after everybody has posted their emails, you need to read three posts from the other students and then comment on them. So how do you comment on an email or on a post? For example, this is your friend's post. You click here, reply, and then you comment on them. Remember, your comments are not like, good job, this is a good email, or not comments like this. So for example, you can comment if you think, for example, the format of the email is not correct. If you think the language is not good, maybe comment on that. If there are some spelling mistakes, comment on that. If there are some grammar or vocabulary mistakes, you can comment on that to help your friend. And then you click post to forum. Okay, so this is your first task that you should be doing. Let me just go back. The second task you're going to watch a video. So click here. Please again read the instruction first, write your name. You need to watch this video. It's about a video conference call. As you watch the video, you click on the words that you hear. Remember that try to watch the video only 2 times. So the first time, as you're watching it, check the words that you hear, then scroll down, look at the vocabulary, match them. So you can't draw a line and match here. What you need to do, I wrote an example here. For example, number 1, connecting, the answer is D. So you write number 1 is D. You scroll down and you write your answer here. Number 1 is D, number 2 is C, number 3 is F, like that. Then you watch the video for the second time and you answer these questions. There are 9 questions. When you finish all the questions, click submit. Okay, that's all for today and have a great weekend.